Okay, this is making so much noise.
Healthy eating on a budget, take one.
Many people think it's impossible to eat healthy while on a budget. But healthy eating on a budget is in fact possible. It just takes a little bit of creativity and a game plan. One way that you can save money is through your veggies. One of the things that you can do to cut costs is to actually go frozen instead. The good thing about frozen veggies is even though they're frozen, they still maintain the same nutritional value as if eating fresh veggies. And they can certainly prove themselves to be cost effective. So veggies are a great way that you can cut your costs.
Now, we recognize that another staple to a healthy diet is having adequate protein intake. And one of the things that we've adopted is to look at eating and consuming lean meats when we eat meat. And so that looks like lean turkey, lean chicken. We even eat a lot of canned meat, canned tuna. These are great sources of protein, and they're not all that expensive. A can of tuna contains 28 grams of protein, 120 calories, and can cost as little as $1 per can.
For those of you non-meat eaters, a great way to get your protein is through things like beans, which you can also buy in bulk. In fact, beans can be a great meal. They can be used as a side dish, or you can also use them as the main entree. You can get a little creative with your beans. Another way that you can cut costs is by buying in bulk, and you can do this with your grains. So things like oatmeal or rice. It's a great option to really allow your dollar to stretch a little bit because you'll have more bang for your buck. It's a great way to still adopt a healthy lifestyle, healthy diet, but within your budget. I thought you were gonna wrap it up.
Yeah,
Why are you
I
looking
did
at
too.
me?
I don't know.